Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget for study abroad with Golden One Credit Union. Complete guide step by step clearly. Budgeting for study abroad is essential for a successful experience. Start by determining your total expected expenses. Consider tuition fees, accommodation, travel, meals, and other daily expenses. Research the cost of living in your destination country. Use online resources to find a detailed breakdown of expenses. Next, create a list of all potential income sources. Include personal savings, family contributions, and scholarships. Explore financial aid options available for study abroad through your school. Once you have a clear list of income and expenses, create a budget spreadsheet. Use a budgeting tool or app to easily manage your finances. Estimate your monthly expenses and divide them by the duration of your study abroad. Factor in any one-time costs, like airfare or visa fees. Consider opening a separate account for your study abroad funds. Golden One Credit Union offers great options for student accounts. Take advantage of low or no monthly fees. Look into setting up automatic transfers to your dedicated account. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed. Be mindful of currency exchange rates and fees. Include a buffer for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Plan for leisure activities, but keep them within your budget. Stay informed about local discounts for students. Set up alerts for financial notifications on your accounts. Stay disciplined with your spending while abroad. Track your expenses daily to ensure you stay within budget. Don't hesitate to reach out to advisors at Golden One Credit Union for assistance. With careful planning and budgeting, you can maximize your study abroad experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.